Why breakfast is important? Breakfast is the first meal of the day. It gives your body energy after sleeping all night. When you eat a healthy breakfast, you can think better, focus in class, and play with more strength. Good breakfast foods include fruit, milk, eggs, and whole grain bread. Some kids skip breakfast, but that can make them feel tired and grumpy. Eating breakfast wake up and start your day strong. Try not to eat only sugary snacks. A healthy breakfast helps your brain and body work well. So remember, never skip breakfast. It's a smart way to begin your day. Questions. What is the main idea of the passage? What are some healthy breakfast foods mentioned? How might skipping breakfast make you feel? What do you usually eat for breakfast? I'm Bikbok from TikTok. A street market is a place where many people sell things on a road or in open spaces. You can find fruits, vegetables, clothes, toys, and sometimes even small electronics. The sellers usually display their items on tables or mats. People visit street markets to buy fresh food or cheap goods. The market is often noisy because of people talking and calling out prices. It is a busy and lively place where you can see many colors and hear many sounds. Street markets are important for local communities and small businesses. Street foods are foods that are sold by people on streets or in small stalls. They are usually cheap and easy to eat. Many people like street foods because they taste good and are really quickly. Different countries have different kinds of street foods like sandwiches, noodles, or fried snacks. Street foods can be sweet or salty, and they are often popular among children and adults. Even though street foods are tasty, it is important to make sure they are clean and safe to eat. My school friends are very special to me because we share many moments together. We study in the same classes and help each other with homework and lessons. During breaks, we play games, talk, and laugh, which makes school more enjoyable. They always support me when I feel sad or worried. With them, I learn the true meaning of friendship, trust, and kindness. We also celebrate birthdays and special days together, creating wonderful memories. Truly, my school friends make my school life happy and unforgettable. I'm Bikbok from TikTok. My school friends. Today I had a small argument with one of my classmates. We were both upset and didn't talk for a while. Our teacher noticed and gave us some advice about being kind and understanding. Later, she called us to the front of the class and asked us to make peace. We apologized to each other and everything felt better after that. My book is very special to me. It is full of nice stories that make me happy. I like to read it when I'm free. The pictures in my book are colorful and pretty. Sometimes I read it slowly to enjoy every page. My book teaches me good lessons too. Always keep it safe because it is my favorite.